Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Perplexity to N8N step by step. Step 1. Log into your Perplexity AI Pro account and access your API key. As of 2025, API access is only available with a paid subscription. Step 2. Open your N8N workflow editor and click the plus icon to add the new HTTP request node. Step 3. Set the method to POST and paste the Perplexity API endpoint. It is usually something like this. Step 4. Under the headers, you should add like this. Step 5. After adding that in your headers, in the body parameters, you can write the required JSON structure. It is typically like this one. Step 6. You can now click Execute Node to test the connection, and you should receive a response from Perplexity with a detailed AI-generated answer. Step 7. Use the response in further automation, like sending to Slack, saving to Google Sheets, or triggering follow-up actions. And now, your Perplexity AI is connected to your N8N workflows. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.